In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Siteground DNS records. Whether you're setting up a new site or making adjustments to improve your website's performance, updating DNS records is a critical step in managing your online presence. Follow along and by the end, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to handle this task confidently and efficiently. First, make your way over to Siteground's homepage. This is the starting point for accessing all the functionalities Siteground offers. Just go to your preferred web browser and type in the Siteground address. Once you land on their homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time here. Now let's focus on logging in. Look for the login button, which is conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will direct you to the login screen. Here, you'll need to input your credentials. Ensure your username and password are correct to avoid any login issues. This is your gateway to accessing your account's tools and settings. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your personal account dashboard. From here, head over to My Account. This section houses all your settings and tools crucial for managing your site. Once you're in, look for the area labeled Websites. It's within this section that you'll be able to access the necessary tools for your DNS updates. Moving forward, click on Site Tools associated with the site you wish to update. This will bring up a series of options that provide comprehensive management capabilities over your specific site. Spend a moment exploring these options if you're curious, but for now we'll focus on DNS settings. Locate and click on the Domain option. This section allows you to manage domain-specific settings including DNS records, which we will be focusing on. Once you click on it, you will find several other options that relate to domain management. Next, we're going to delve into the DNS Zone Editor. Click on this option. The DNS Zone Editor is a vital tool that will allow you to adjust your DNS records, whether it's for updating, adding, or removing records. Make sure you understand the changes you want to make to avoid affecting your site's accessibility. Finally, head over to the Manage DNS Records section. Here you can view all existing DNS records for your domain. To make changes, simply select the record you wish to update and input the necessary information. Ensure every detail is accurate before saving changes, as incorrect DNS information can lead to site downtime or misdirected traffic. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through updating DNS records on Siteground. With this knowledge, you're well equipped to manage your DNS settings efficiently, ensuring your website operates smoothly and continues to reach your audience effectively.